Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. A gentle reminder, as always, to please like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it is indeed a free way to support the channel. So, guys, I want to talk a little bit about this Ravel Morrison story, right? This story that broke, with Ravel Morrison. Former Manchester United prodigy Ravel Morrison joins Wayne Rooney in training at Derby County. Right? Let me read it. Former star of the Manchester United youth setup Ravel Morrison has linked up with Wayne Rooney and is training under his management at Derby County. The 28-year-old's career has taken yet another turn as he looks to maintain fitness and potentially earn a contract with the Rams. Morrison was last playing for Other Den Haag in the Netherlands, but saw his contract terminated by mutual consent in January this year and has been without a club since. Derby are in terrible financial trouble as they desperately look for a new ownership. But with offers unlikely to be flooding in for Morrison, a deal may be able to be done to sign the midfielder that suit both club and player. Right, Rooney has said before highly he rates, it says rats, but I'm sure that's a mistake, rates Ravel Morrison's talent, saying he was significantly better as a youngster than Paul Pogba at Manchester United. Writing in his Sunday Times column, Rooney recalled, I remember watching Ravel Morrison thinking he had everything required for a player in his position. Yeah, he nutmegged Nemanja Vidic 3 times in the space of a minute in one training game. That's a fun fact right there. Right? So, you know, but he struggled with lifestyle and his environment, which was sad for him because I saw Paul Pogba come through, Jesse Lingard, all these players, and Ravel was better than any of them by a countryman. He's proof that you can't escape the fact that there are guidelines every player has to obey in professional football. To be honest with you, many people might get excited about this particular news, but to be honest with you, I'm not really excited by it, to be honest with you. I'm really and truly not particularly excited by it. The way I see it, this is just another friend, right? Or just a friend, rather, trying to help out a friend, right? I really and truly don't think that anything serious is going to come out of this. While I do, it's weird for me because Ravel is I mean, we have seen what Ravel can do. The players are talent, but I don't know, man. For some reason, it's just a nomadic career, right? But I do wish him all the best, But I'm not gonna get too excited about this news, right? I'll get excited when I see pen to paper, right? I'm not gonna be jumping right now and saying this, that, or and just basically being excited or happy. We saw he went to Sheffield Wednesday, right, and didn't land a contract. I'm hoping that the bad financial situation that they're saying that Derby is in will motivate them to, go for a relatively cheap option in Ravel Morrison, who is a free agent and also probably is not in the best position to command the highest set of wages, with the greatest of respect to him because he has been a free agent for a while. So, just quickly running that by you guys. I saw it early this morning, right? Just getting a chance to touch on it. But yeah, hopefully things work out for Ravel. I'm not gonna get too excited though. I'm gonna wait until, pen, pen hits paper. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna wait until the ink dries on this one. Right. But I just think it's just a friend reaching out to a friend and trying to give him a strength. right? Trying to help to put him back on the map, so to speak, right? So, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.